Hi guys, it's Mrs. Middlemass again. So I'm going to have to do the second part of this on my phone because this one's to use my camera and the other software I was using wanted to use my camera. So on the second part of our Prezi video, we're on the software. And basically, I'm using a student account because sometimes teachers have different permissions with our technology. So that's why I'm on my daughter's account, or I made an account for her. So let's see, if I click on create new video, let's see, it says there's a pop-up blocked. I have a feeling I'm going to want this pop-up. So just in case that happens to you, like I'm getting a visitor, I put a box there just for her, because she'll go in the box. Okay, so you guys see how I pause it? Let's see if my video will work this time. Okay, so then on this page, it's gonna ask you if you will allow the computer or the website to use your computer's camera and microphone. On mine, I've already said allow it, so it's just searching for it. And the light just came on up here, so you can see that it found the camera. So what I like about this software is that it looks like a newscast. I think it's pretty cool. So try to make sure you have good lighting when you do this. Okay, and here are some of the templates you can choose. I sent your teacher a little sample video, and I think I used the bubble ones here. You can have stuff running across the bottom, which I didn't try. Let's do, I don't know, this one. Why not? Okay. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to choose between it just being you talking, hi, or you with your information here, or just the information. And during the course of the show, when you're recording, you can have it do any one of those you want, okay? Because I chose this one, I would probably scoot myself over just a little bit. I got double cameras going here. So cool. So once you've chosen one, you go to your next step, which is right down here, okay? And here is where you can add as many frames as you want and all the text you want. So the beginning text, I'll probably put a title, all about my cat. There we go, all about my cat, Mia. I don't know if I could upload my own picture of her, but right now I don't really care because I just want to get my assignment done. So I can look down here though to add an image, and I can say cat. And there's probably not a cat that looks just like mine. Oh, but there's some pretty darn cute kitties, and this one's close. I'm going to choose that one. That looks a lot like you, huh, Mia? Mia, look up with your blue eyes. All right, she's not going to show you. And it's not a cat video, so we'll move on. If I want to add another frame, I go here and I can start my speech, and I can say, my cat, blah, 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 okay? And then say I was going to say has hairballs. And I want to put that one in the frame. So you see what's happening here is that's showing up. Okay, so on my first frame, it says my cat, all about my cat Mia. The next frame, there's that. And I can add as many frames as I want. And when I'm done with that, I go to the next step. And the next step says practice and record. There's a cool little video here. And he gives you a little lecture on how to make a good video for people, like practicing and making sure you have good lighting and making sure your family's not in the background walking by in their underwear and stuff like that. Maybe he doesn't say that, but I did. Once you've done that, you can save and share your video, okay? So I'm gonna practice and record. Here's my video. Hi there, hi there, hi there. Oh, it's 3, 2, 1-ing me, sorry. It's getting long here. Hello, hello. Next slide. Hello, hello. And I'm done. Okay, so I just made a 6-second video. If I like how my video looks, once it's done brewing here, okay, I can click save video right there and keep it unlisted. Only people who have the link can look at it. Okay. It's processing. It didn't take too long because that's a 6-second video. And now I have my video. And hello, hello. Next slide. Hello, hello. And I'm done. Okay, so if I want to share that video, I'm going to go up here to my videos. And I am going to choose my cat video here. Oh, look, there's a link. See that? Oh, nope, that's not a link. Let's see what this does. You're going to share it. And copy the link. And if you want to describe it, you can. But otherwise, I've copied the link. I can go over to my Google Classroom and just paste it in. If you need more help with that, please email me and ask. Thanks, you guys. Bye.